these data points for both blasts ought to give us a really good picture to see if MacGyver's cement made a difference between the control and the cement blast. Mr. Heineman, you ready?
Okay, arming and ready.
This is MacGyver Control Empty Postal Van, 84 pounds of TNT in 3, 2, 1. Boom! That, I think there's still some stuff flying through the air.
Yeah, nobody go outside yet.
No.
What goes up comes down.
Yep, you've got hail. A hail of metal shrapnel
Oh, look, the eagle has landed.
and plywood shrapnel catchers.
That's gotta hurt.
It's pure carnage for our shrapnel catchers. Legs and hands and mullets everywhere.
The blast was significantly more powerful than expected. At 30 feet, the shrapnel damage was clearly catastrophic. But what about the pressure sensors?
Oh,
Whoops.
it looks like all 3 of the sensors we had out here are totally busted.
With the cables for the pressure transducers shredded, even at 250 feet, they have no control data. And the next step will take some figuring out.